Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the language on your CapCut app, CapCut mobile app. So there's this gear icon on the top right corner. You're just going to select that and you are going to select app language, and you're just going to select the language you want and press done. And then it's going to set the language for you, so whenever you open the app, it's going to change to that language. If you want to change it again, press the gear icon, go to the first tab and select the language and press the apply button, which is like up here on the top right corner, the blue button. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!